I have a question for you. Can you tell me what day it is?
I don't know.
You don't know what day it is? I have no clue what day it is right now. Is it Monday?
No.
Well, I'm not really sure what day it is.
Thursday.
Thursday? Thursday's Tuesday? What are you eating?
Asian food.
We are lazy fools.
Get back on Pinterest. Oh my god.
We're laying together. Oh god, shut my nose. Ah. Hello, look at the internet. Kiss the interwebs. It's such a weird view because I saw her head in the camera and her body in real life. Why do you... Where has that tongue been? I don't know where the tongue has been. You can't just shove it up my nose. What are you thinking, friend? Hello. Your scab is coming off. Is your scab? Scabbish. Sometimes you need a best friend to hug. And Dino is like a best friend with big mouth and a lot of teeth. But sometimes if you're sad, she's like, hey, you're looking kind of sad there, friend. Let me give you a kiss and make you feel better. And then she does this. Where she lays on your face and you can't talk about anything. But she doesn't want to hear the story. She just wants to give you a big ol' kiss. Right where you don't want it up your nose. Oh god. Thank you, but they make tissues. Go, Daddy.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
She ran away.
She ran away.
But that's what dinos are good for, and that's why we have dogs, because they love you. No matter what you say, and they don't care about your problems. They just know that you want to be happy. They want to give you big kisses for it. Unless they're mean dogs, then they want to eat your face. I think that's correct. Another short video day. Ooh. How are you reading? Oh, I was
They
gonna
got rid of the envelopes.
it's like all blurry.